The incident involving a schoolgirl from Horana and a few coconuts gave rise to social dialogue in this country on some stark realities of our society. In addition to such dialogue, this incident also highlighted the police, who are conferred with the responsibility of enforcing the law following the procedures bound with law enforcement. This means that if the police in this instance had functioned in accordance with the oldest ordinance, not only in Sri Lanka but in all of South Asia, then there would not have been a need for this girl from Horana to have been produced in court. While this girl from Horana was produced in court because the police chose to neglect the ordinance pertaining to her, at present a 5-year-old boy from Minuwangoda has been hospitalized because the Koskoda police reported facts to court in accordance with the Child and Youth Ordinance, which is irrelevant in the case of this boy. This boy, who has lost his father, has been brought up thus far under the guardianship of his mother. This Year 1 student was taken by his paternal grandparents to their home within the Koskoda Police Division on the 25th of March, while his mother was away from home. The group who took the boy from his home justified the action with a complaint lodged not with the Minuwangoda police but with the Koskoda police. According to the complaint lodged with the Minuwangoda police by the boy's mother the following day, taking him away from his home without the permission or knowledge of his legal guardian is a case of kidnapping. Although the Minuwangoda police had accordingly informed the Koskoda police on the 27th of March to hand over the child and the 2 people who took him from his home to the Minuwangoda police, the Koskoda police had disregarded this request and had produced the boy in the Balapitiya Magistrates Court on the 28th of March. The police's justification for the action was that the problems had arisen regarding the boy's guardianship and protection under Section 35 of the Child and Youth Ordinance. While the mother too appeared in court on the 28th of March, the court ordered that the mother and paternal grandmother have shared custody of the child. Accordingly, the boy's mother was made to live with his paternal grandparents, who had taken him from his home without her permission or knowledge. On Wednesday, the court returned the same order. This order was issued even after the lawyer representing the mother and child informed court that his clients were not safe in this house. It could be that the court decreed that the mother and paternal grandmother should have shared custody so that they could reside at the paternal grandmother's home within the jurisdiction of the Balapitiya Magistrates Court, easing transport difficulties faced by the child in travelling to the Balapitiya Magistrates Court for further hearings. Nevertheless, both mother and son were admitted to the Balapitiya Hospital on Wednesday night for treatment of injuries they had allegedly sustained in an assault by the paternal grandfather while residing at the paternal grandmother's house. Did the Koskoda police have questions regarding the guardianship and security of this boy because of ignorance of the law, or was it for some other reason? Senior Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of the Southern Province, this one is over to you.